Diversity 2, we have a problem here. This shower shut off nozzle has been busted inside or stripped and it's not working, so only the faucet here works. And the solution to diverter, got this off of eBay, and you're just simply going to shower a hose to that and divert the water to this handheld diverter, but it can be mounted like this, off, turn to the left to unscrew. I'm going to take my couplings, slide those there. This can be adjusted, make up the space. And the handheld shower nozzle just screws onto the diverter here. It's in place. Just set it in place. Should you get pull up the tab? You may not need the spacers if the plumbing is short, but this plumbing was longer, so I had to use the spacer